So hello guys, welcome back to another video of my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can download Cursor in your laptop. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to type this in your Google and you have to go to this site. You will see this site. Now you have to download for Windows, and here you see three options. You will see the Mac option, you see the Windows option, you see the Linux option. So we are currently downloading it on Windows, so we go for the Windows, and in the Windows option we will download for the user. We simply open link in the new tab and go to the user and we simply save it. And we don't download it for the system. I will tell you later why I would have downloaded for the system. So let it be downloaded. So it is around 139 MB. It will take around 6 to 7 more seconds to get. So the Cursor setup has been downloaded. So let's click on the download option and you will see this agreement. You have to accept the agreement. You have to click next and you have to change the file browsing if you want to change, but we don't change it. We click next and we will browse the Cursor. Okay, let it be same. We create a desktop shortcut for this. Open Windows, no need. We will simply next it. We will simply now install it, and the system is preparing to install the Cursor. Setup has been completed. Now we don't launch the Cursor, we will open it by ourselves. We finish this, we go to our home screen. Here we see Cursor, so let's start it. I double click the Cursor, so it's successfully started. So now I already used Cursor for several times, so my other project has been showing here. So I will show you what you will see. You will see a new window like this, and you will see option like open project, clone repo and connect via SSH. So you simply have to go to this upper top file. You have to simply open a folder. So first of all I will open a folder of a simple website, and you see this folder is empty. So first we need to select the folder simply, and when we select the folder you see all the files inside the folder. So let's go to again files. I have to open a folder, and if I want to open this folder, so let's start it. So you will see you can get all the stuff in the folder, and you can simply edit everything as by your own by clicking this new agent and giving a prompt to the website to create it. And if you have to run the website, you can simply click on run and start running. So you can simply see your website is successfully running. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like the tutorial of Cursor. Bye bye.